Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick video about how to replace a dash pad in a Ford F150, 250, 350. The F150s I think are from I think they're 93 or 94 up to 97, and the Ford Broncos are like 92 to 96. Actually, I think the Ford F150s are 92 to 96 as well. And then the 250 and 350s are 94 to 97. I could be wrong, but anyways, you can see my dash pad is cracked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace it today. I've already started, but I decided to back up and do a quick video to kind of show you how to do it. So one thing I had done is I had gone online and bought these little stereo removers. There's two of them. You'll need two. They cost like $4 or $5 on eBay. So I got those, and you can see they go, kind of hard to see the light, but see they go in those holes and they just kind of slide in. And then the dash, the glove box, it's pretty easy. All you really do is pinch this side in and this side over here at the same time, and it falls. And then right up under here there are little bolts that attach to the back of the pad, and they take these little tiny nuts. I've already taken off 4 of them. They're 10 millimeter. So I've got these 4 taken off. I've already pulled my stereo out, but I wanted to show you. I've seen some videos and it's not real clear from a lot of people how to do it. I just figured out how to do it. So when you have the pins in, you don't have to jam them in super far, but all you do is kind of pull these out. And I'm not sure if I can put my phone anywhere to kind of hold how to do it. Let me see if I can do this. I'm sorry about the video quality, but I'm trying to do this with just using my phone. Let me think here. So anyways, you just kind of pull these out this way, both of them out, and it'll slide out, because the little locking mechanism is on the side right here, and when you pull them out, it actually pulls in to clear the clip, and it just comes right out. So you can just kind of pull it out and it comes right out. And I've already unplugged the 3 wires in the back. So now I'm gonna get to these bolts under here. Like I said, they're 10 millimeter. A little tricky to get to. You know, I got big hands, so they're kind of hard to get into, especially if I'm holding the phone. So let me put the phone down here for a minute, and I will get these out. All right, that's a little bit better. Anyways, so I just got one more of them out. I have one more to go. Usually, you know, they're just snug, so once you break them, you can spin them real easily with your fingers. You just want to make sure you don't drop them in there. And when you got big hands or, you know, fat wrists, it's hard to get and find them. So my last one is right here. It's a little tricky to get to, you know, but all you got to really do is just break it to find out where the angle of it is. There we go. Almost got it off here. This is the tricky part, not to drop it. And there it is, right there. So now the dash pad comes right off. So you can see, you know, here's the 2 that are behind the stereo, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4 for under the dash, or under the glove box. So here's my new one right here. A lot better shape. And so I am going to install this just like that. I'm gonna put my bolts, nuts back on, and install my stereo back. everything in reverse order. And that's it, pretty simple. You guys have a good day. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave comments below. I'll answer them best I can. Hope you like the video, and peace out.